We're here at the TownePlace Suite by Marriott here in Bloomington, Indiana. And check out what we have here. We got a Series 1. Grocery that I'm doing. Oh boy. Let's go on to 1. Let's go back up to 3. There's a Series 1. There's the elevator phone, which is ADA compliant. I lost my shoe. It's a very nice elevator. It's from like, say, late 90s, early 2000s. Series 1 buttons. Capacity 2100. This is the first time it ever happened to me.
When did that happen?
My shoe came off while filming.
Oh.
Yeah, no joke. I walked in and my shoe just popped off when I was turning. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.